Okay, ma'am. Good day. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Herlin Alcasarin Torino. I am married. I have 3 children, ages 6, 5, and 2 years old.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 4 brothers and 3 sisters.
Please tell me about your work experience.
I work as a domestic helper in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for 1 year and 10 months. I serve 5 family members of the family, 1 couple, and 3 children, ages 14, 15, and 11 years old. I do house chores like cooking, cleaning, ironing, and washing the clothes.
What if your employer is not home and the baby is keep crying?
I
What will
cradle,
you do?
I cuddle the baby, and I'll check the temperature, and I'll check also the diaper. If wet, I will change it. And also, if he is sick, I will call my employer, to give him medicine.
Okay, ma'am. Who will take care of your children when you work abroad?
My husband will take care of my children.
How about if you feel homesick? What will you do?
I will pray and focus to my work.
Can you sing a nursery song?
I sing a song like head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Okay, ma'am. Could you work till late and get up early in the morning?
Yes,
Do you have tattoo on your body?
I have no tattoo.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes, I'm scared.
Do you have any foods you don't eat or food allergy?
I don't have food allergy.
Okay, ma'am. Please describe yourself.
I am trustworthy. I am hardworking, honest, and flexible time.
Okay, what is your message for your future employer?
Uh, if you choose me as your helper, I will work hard to do my duty, and I will stay as long as I finish my contract, as long as you need me, and thank you.